हेलो हेलो जनता, हेलो पब्लिक। आज डेफिनेटली शॉर्ट वीडियो रहेगा क्योंकि कल भी मैंने कहा था, बट वीडियो बिल्कुल शॉर्ट नहीं थी, 15-20 मिनट की थी और फिर से मुझे एडिट्स मारने पड़े उसमें। ओह, रुको रुको, आई टेल यू व्हाट्स हैपनिंग। मेरा डॉग ना मेरे को बुलाता है, ऐसे ऐसे करके दरवाजे को करता है कि भाई मैं बाहर रह गया। एक्चुअली आई विल टेक यू अलोंग, लुक एट दिस, लुक एट दिस। आजा आजा लियो, आजा अंदर, आजा अंदर। Saw that? That's cute, na? Now go hit the like button. Go hit the like button. Subscribe to me because you're so cute, na? It's cute लगा तो like मारो, cute लगा तो subscribe मारो. If नहीं लगा then you are not human at all. You don't have a heart. You're not human. Subscribe. Okay. Okay. That's enough, right? Okay. So, update about what's happening today. Today actually I woke up kind of late. 9-10 बजे उठा और उसके बाद फिर मैं क्या किया यार. Actually today was like clean up day क्योंकि हमारी like I was saying ना कि हमारी maid is like out of town right now, not here. She left the job, right? So she left because of Eid. She wanted to go to her village, so I don't think she'll be coming back. So we'll have to find a new maid now, a new helper, assistant, whatever you want to call it. So we're still finding. We are still finding, and in the meanwhile, so the family is helping up in a cleanup process. So yeah, so cleanup process था बहुत देर तक actually. मतलब almost till lunch I was just like, didn't feel like working whatever. तो almost 2-3 बजे तक we were like just chilling out. इसके वजह से फिर मुझे रन करने का भी मन नहीं किया क्योंकि आई फील लाइक टू मच टाइम इज़ ऑलरेडी वेस्टेड. फिर मैंने रन नहीं किया और रन नहीं करने की वजह से फिर मुझे लगा यार आज तो मैंने रन भी नहीं किया. सो आई वाज ऑल्सो फीलिंग एनर्जाइज्ड ऑल्सो नाउ, तो वो भी चला गया. सो 6-7 तक तो दैट्स हाउ इट वेंट. एक्चुअली क्या किया यार मैंने, ओह माय गॉड, पूरा दिन वेस्ट किया क्या. नहीं पूरा दिन नहीं वेस्ट किया. लाइक आई वाज डूइंग लाइक सम वर्क हियर एंड देयर, बट या इट कुड हैव बीन डन फास्टर आई गेस. व्हाट द हेल वाज आई डूइंग. ओ नहीं कोड में भी फंसा था मैं. एक कोड था जिसके एक बग था. आई वाज स्टक इन इट फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम और वो डीबग करने में ऑलमोस्ट 1-1.5 घंटा लगा. सो दैट वो एक्चुअली वो मैं भूल गया. लाइक 6 to 7:38 के टाइम पे दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग. और उसमें मैं फंसा रहा थोड़ी देर. फिर मैंने दूसरे कोड पे जंप किया. दूसरा एक प्रोजेक्ट था उस पर जंप किया, उसका कोड था. फिर उसमें फंस गया, फिर वापस इधर आया, फिर डीबग किया उसको. अब मैं उसमें फंसा हूँ तो अभी मैं वो डीबग करूँगा. सो मैं भूल गया वो दैट पार्ट, होल चंक वाज इरेज्ड. सो वो था. सो डिड दैट एंड उसके बाद डिनर खाया एंड वर्कड ऑन द सरप्राइज प्रोजेक्ट. उसका एक बैंक अकाउंट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन था, whatever डिड दैट. एंड नाउ वी आर so it's all online stuff now because bank account abhi bhi bana hai. So like I'm getting things like I'm getting, oh look here, I'm getting things, how do I say this, like configuration जो भी अभी तक मैंने pending रखे थे क्योंकि बैंक अकाउंट नहीं था. Now that I have it, now I'm having all this configuration setting. Yeah, तो वो था. That's what I did after dinner, and I just had a talk with my dad that kind of hyped me up, and now I am hyped up, so I don't need coffee. And yeah, I'll get back to working. Oh wow, what a boring story. I'll get back to working. Ideally, get back to working for CS, probably like some coding stuff and statistics, because my coding and statistics are the two projects that are gonna come in the week ahead. So next weekend or ये weekend का time है. But that doesn't mean like it's not that much of time. It sounds like a lot of time, but the project is huge, so I'll have to like really get into it. और जो भी I think 1-2 weeks के lectures थे जो मैंने kind of नहीं देखे थे या properly नहीं देखे थे, तो वो देखने हैं एंड आई हैव टू लाइक properly study for this because it has like a huge percentage of my final grades. So yeah. Well, it's not a huge percentage, by the way. I'm saying it's huge because I make it play like that. It's just not that big. But it's a percentage. Yeah, it's a like small cut. I like to believe it's a huge cut so that I start working like that. I make myself tensed about it, but yes, it's not a huge percentage. Yeah, so that's that. And yeah, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Yeah, that's it. Bye. No, I'm joking. So that's that. Hopefully you liked the video yesterday about my personal blog, about my website that I was showing you guys. Hopefully you liked it. Let me know feedbacks in the comments below. If there's any room of improvement that you think I should be able to work on more, yeah, why not? I'll give it a shot. But definitely this website is not my priority. It's not my main focus at the time. It's just something I had made this website. I remember I made this like initially the first draft of this website. I made it in grade 11 in my holidays because I was free, and I thought I was so hyped. Actually, I'll show you which book I'm talking about. Take my card. Just give me a minute. I'll show you that book. ये book है वो. Getting into a top college, admission to the top 100 universities and colleges of America. This was the book that I had read. अभी वापस फिर रखनी पड़ेगी, बाद में रखता हूँ. This was the book that I had read, and it's by Priya Chatterjee. So she's actually one of the people who was, I think, working at Harvard or something like that. Definitely an Ivy League. She was the admission officer there, and she talks about how she used to select applicants. तो इसको देख के मैंने सोचा कि like bro, I need to like figure out my extracurriculars. I need to figure out कि who am I other than just grades. So that was when I got hyped up by this book, and I realized, hey, why not let's make a website, and also after watching some college info geek videos. So that motivated me to also have like a personal blog, to also have a personal website where I'll be able to portray who I am better. That's when I made this website initially. But after making that website, so the skeleton was ready from then only, but after making that website I quickly dumped it because I didn't have that much time to do anything about it. Personal blog, maybe wrote like 2 to 3 blogs and just left it after that. So that's when I initially made this website. But तब से वो skeleton ready था. So I thought after this university, after this high school ended, यूनिवर्सिटी के पहले और हाई स्कूल के बाद जो वो छुट्टियाँ की ब्रेक होती है, स्पेशली मेरे लिए तो और भी बड़ी ब्रेक थी क्योंकि उस समय कोविड था, फैल रखा था. 2020 का मई है ये. सो उस समय तो पूरा समय घर पे था. सो आई थॉट, हे, व्हाई नॉट वर्क बैक ऑन दिस वेबसाइट. So I had this whole website revamped and not really built from scratch, but was skeleton ready tha. So I just shifted things here and there, and then I recently changed things around. I think in February of this year, 2021, when I realized I have this business going on as well. Maybe I want to add that on that website. So I did that, and recently जो मैं परसों दिखा रहा था, मैंने उसमें पॉडकास्ट और अपने ब्लॉग्स भी एडिट किए और डाले हैं. तो and that is the updated version. So I don't really spend that much time, like the whole point to tell you was I don't really spend that much time on this blog or on this website. I do spend kind of time on the blog, like I feel like 2 hours a week, I guess. But website पे तो बिल्कुल time नहीं spend करता हूँ. It's like a one time for fun kind of a thing. So it is not a priority of mine. It's just that I thought कि हाँ ठीक है, बनी है तो why not use it, that kind of thing. So yeah, let me know अगर कोई feedback है. I'll look into it. अगर it's not time taking, I might as well do it. I might as well change it. If it is time taking, then I'll probably not. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's that. And yeah, that's it for today. Hopefully today and tomorrow, I'll have to study a lot of statistics, a lot of maths, and work on my surprise project that I was telling you about. Yeah. work on some legal stuff, contracts here and there, terms and conditions, and that kind of stuff. Work on the legal aspect of things. You know how things are, right? So वैसे टाइप की चीज़ें have to figure out for this surprise project, and hopefully it should be live in 2 months. I would say live in 2 months. The testing we will start 1 month from now. 3 weeks from now. 3 weeks from now we'll start testing, and hopefully 2 months from now we will go live, and ideally like the world will be able to see कि okay अच्छा ये था surprise project. So it should be public by then. Yeah, public knowledge by then, not public. All right, yeah, I guess that's it. So all right, stay at home, work from home if you are in India especially. आजकल बहुत कोविड फैल रहा है, and I've heard even about black fungus. So things are getting, plus even with the cyclone, like things are getting like वो जो होता है ना वो dark times होते हैं. That's what is in India right now. So please take care of yourself. Please stay at home, work from home, and take care of yourself and your family and friends. जितना हो सके घर पे रहिए, and yeah, that's it. Tune in tomorrow and I'll update you about my life कि आज क्या हो और कल क्या होगा. Alright, see ya.